Hi, I'm Ram Gopal from allppttemplates.com. In this edition of Quick and Useful PowerPoint Tips series, you will learn how to add date and time on your slides. There are times when you present the same set of slides on different dates in different places. One of the neat little tricks to make your presentation look as if it is made for that occasion is to add date and time on your slides. And it's very simple. Let us go to a new slide and I'll show you how. When you go to the new slide, you can go to the Insert tab here and click on Date and Time option. Click on this option called Date and Time here, and there is an option here which shows Update Automatically. It's a good idea to choose that because the date will be picked up from the system tray, so it will always be current. The next thing is in terms of choosing the format for your date and time. It is a good idea to choose a format like this one, where it clearly says the month, the day, and the year, because there is always a confusion in terms of the day and the month depending on the kind of the country that you are from. For example, if I were to say 8/12/2014, in India it means 8th December 2014, whereas in US it is 12th August 2014. Because the first item here is day in India, whereas in US it is month. So there is always a confusion here. So to avoid that, it is better to use a format like this one. So let me add that and say apply. I can choose to apply to all slides, where you will see that the current date gets added to the footer. Now this item that you got here, the date, can be formatted the way you want. For example, if I want to increase the font size, I can do so. This you might actually do if you want to include the date as part of your title. You can change the font type. For example, I can choose to have Arial Narrow instead of the default Calibri. I can change the font color. You can do just about anything you would do to regular text. The only difference, however, is the entire thing is treated as one item by PowerPoint. That means you will not be able to have Monday in a different color and August 18th in a different color. All these will be in the same color. So that is the only thing that needs to be noted. Otherwise, to add date and time to your footer is very easy in PowerPoint. To learn more such tips and tutorials, you can always visit us at allppttemplates.com. The site has more than 3,500 ready-to-use PowerPoint templates to make your business slides look professional. Here are some very interesting, fully editable PowerPoint templates taken from All PPT Templates. As you can see here, every element is editable. You can change the colors. You can change anything here. You can change your text. And here are some more examples. And all these are very professionally made ones to make your life easy as a business presenter. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Happy presenting.